Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin after breaking out from this falling wedge did got attracted towards this bottom CPR line for the month of September. Yes guys, I was shouting on top of my lungs that this was a VCPR. VCPR tracks the price touches either the bottom, center or the top CPR line before choosing a trend direction. And yesterday when we broke out of this falling wedge, the upper trend line, we got attracted towards the bottom CPR line, and this bottom CPR line is the exact area where we found rejection. So what to expect next? Will the price of Bitcoin after some retracement continue this trend in this manner, or is it going to be a continuation here to the downside because the price has failed to find support of the bottom CPR line, which could attract us towards this first monthly target line sitting around 23,760 range? Because we know if we look at the price of Bitcoin in a very simple way, I mean the falling wedge scenario did played out. Price after breaking out of this upper trend line did got attracted towards this 26,400 range, right? And now this looks like a retracement. So if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term manages to remain above 26,000 here, this line, this horizontal trend line remains over this horizontal trend line, then the upcoming move could be like this: price trying to cross above this bottom line, center line, and even the top CPR line, which is sitting around 27,400 range. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin, if it manages to find support over 26,000, could get attracted towards 27,000 or the top CPR line before choosing a trend direction. Because we know if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean if we simply use this descending channel and even a rising channel, a small rising channel inside this bigger descending channel, in the past price action we found out breaking the support from this rising channel led to a retracement. Price got attracted towards the price objective before consolidating, before continuing this downtrend. In our case, if we look at this carefully, the price of Bitcoin has already lost the support from this ascending channel lower trend line, and now this could be a continuation here to the downside in between 21,000 to 20,000 before choosing a trend direction. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin, if we look at this carefully, in the medium short term could show some relief rally, but we know this upper trend line, the bigger descending channel, could be holding us around that area, and price after that could show another continuation here to the downside. Yes guys, if the price of Bitcoin wants to invalidate the bearish scenario, then we have to overcome the resistance in between 27,000 to 28,000 into support. Yes, if we can flip that into support, then the bearish scenario which I showed you are going to be invalidated, and that means the price for the coming month could be also bullish. Why bullish? Because in that case we will be above the top CPR line, and price finding above support over the top CPR line could lead to another continuation here to the upside. And now even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean if we simply use this Elliott wave theory in the medium short term, if the price of Bitcoin does shows this impulsiveness, attracts itself around 27,000, 28,000, then we have to be careful, because the price of Bitcoin in that case could be showing a move here like this: 27, 28,000 rejecting us, and then another continuation here to the downside, because according to this Elliott wave theory we could be around this corrective later phase. I mean APC corrective movement could be on the line. So any sort of a retracement, any sort of impulsiveness, unless we break out of this 28,000, that will be looked as a temporary rally before price starts breaking here to the downside. And not just only that, even according to this divergence, I am still looking at this bearish divergence, because in the past price action we found out whenever the price of Bitcoin was forming higher highs and this RSI in a weekly forming lower highs, this indicated us that hey, we are forming a bearish divergence and price could start reversing. And this is exactly what happened. After the bearish divergence, the price of Bitcoin showed a retracement, started consolidating before starting a new impulsive movement. And this could be another similar scenario as well. I mean this is a bearish divergence, right? And price could be getting attracted in between this 20,000, 21,000, the key line of support, before starting another continuation here to the upside. That is another reason why we have to be careful, because the price, looking into different scenarios, looking into different time frame, is still showing weakness. As long as we remain below 28,000, any sort of impulsiveness will be looked as a fake out, and price after that is expected to show another continuation here to the downside. Because if you look at this price action in a daily time frame using this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, according to our indicator, the price of Bitcoin was already showing bearishness when we broke the support in between 28 to 29,000 range, and that's exactly when the sell signal appeared in our indicator. So according to this indicator, we will be facing resistance as long as we remain below this red line or the CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. Yes guys, only if we can flip support above this line, right, this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, only after that we are expecting the market to show bullishness. Because if you look at the RSI is still below 50, right? This green line is exactly at 50, so we need the RSI to appear above 50. Exactly at the same time, we need this bullish MACD cross to appear above this horizontal trend line, which is sitting around 0, and this T3CCI to appear around positive territory. So if we get the confirmation from these three indicators, then there is a very high probability that we are going to break the resistance around 28,000 as well. So we definitely need the confirmation from this indicator before looking for any long opportunity. And not just only this, even if you look at this in a very simple way, I mean, if the price of Bitcoin is going to show another continuation here to the downside following this bull flag type of formation, no problem. We need the price to break out from this upper trend line. Yes guys, this upper trend line from this descending channel must be broken at any cost if we want the price of Bitcoin to show another continuation here to the upside, because the lower trend line is acting as a support, upper trend line is acting as a resistance. So if we want to see an actual breakout playing out here, then the price of Bitcoin must break the resistance in between 27,000 to 28,000 into proper support. By doing that, there could be another continuation here like this. Price of Bitcoin after that, right, after breaking out its upper trend line, even the resistance in between 27,000 and 28,000 could start with another continuation where we could be heading towards to form a new high. And now, not just only this, even according to this falling trend line, yesterday I showed you guys the price in our case could be getting attracted around this falling trend line, which acted as a support. This line rejected us once. Maybe we could see another continuation, price attempting one more time to break out from this falling trend line before choosing a trend duration. And around that area, we also have resistance from this CPR indicator, the top, central, and the bottom CPR indicator. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to turn bullish, then this falling trend line must be broken. And if the price in the medium short term starts showing weakness, also breaks the support which you have around this 25,000 range, then please be careful guys, because breaking the support could lead to another free fall, right? Another free fall where we could be getting attracted towards this 23,000, 22,000, and in the worst case, even the 20,000 will be on the line. Yes guys, the price objective around 20,000 will be on the line if the price in the medium short term breaks the support which you have around 25,000 range, because parallelly we are also forming this dead cat bounce trading pattern which we are not allowed to forget. Breaking the previous low around 25,000 will trigger another sell-off. Price could be heading towards to form another lower low and head towards the next area of confluence to the downside before choosing a trend duration. Yes guys, these are some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.